In this video, I'll guide you through how to link Google Ads to Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll have your accounts connected so you can see how your ads are performing, which campaigns are driving the most valuable traffic, and make smarter decisions about your budget and targeting. Let's get started right from the beginning. First, open your web browser and go to ads.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in using the Google account that you use for your Google Ads. It's important that this is the same Google account, or at least has access to the same business, as the one you use for your Google Analytics 4 property. That way, Google Ads can actually find and connect to the right analytics property later on. Once you're inside your Google Ads account, look towards the top of the screen for the main menu bar. You'll see several options here, and what you're looking for is the section often labeled with a wrench or tools icon. Today, I'll show you how to use this part of the interface to get into the data settings. Go ahead and click on the tools option. This opens a drop-down menu with different sections like planning, shared library, bulk actions, and so on. Within this tools menu, find and click on Data Manager. The exact placement might vary slightly depending on updates to the Google Ads interface, but it will usually be under a section related to setup or data. The Data Manager is where you control the connections between Google Ads and other Google products, and it's the central place for managing how data flows in and out of your account. When the Data Manager page loads, you'll see a few different panels or tiles for various integrations and features. I'm going to walk you through how to find the right one for Google Analytics 4. Look for a section called Featured Products. This is where Google highlights key connections, and one of them should be Google Analytics. On that tile or card that mentions Google Analytics, click it. This tells Google Ads that you want to set up or manage a link between your Google Ads account and your analytics properties. After you click Google Analytics, you'll be taken to a screen where you can select which analytics properties you want to link. I'll show you the easiest way to handle this step. You should see a list of available properties that your Google account has access to. These may include multiple GA4 properties if you manage more than one website or app. Take a moment here to carefully choose the correct Analytics 4 property that matches the site or app you're advertising in this Google Ads account. If you don't see the property you're expecting, double check that your Google account has the correct permissions in Google Analytics 4 and that you're using the same login for both platforms. Once you've found the right property or properties, select them by clicking on them or checking the box next to each one you want to connect. When you're happy with your selection, click Next. This will move you forward to the remaining configuration steps for the link where you can review and confirm the connection settings. From here, just follow the on-screen prompts to finalize the link. And that's it. You've gone from opening Google Ads to finding the tools menu, to using Data Manager, selecting Google Analytics under Featured Products, and choosing the right properties before clicking Next. Once the link is fully confirmed, your Google Ads and Google Analytics 4 will be working together, giving you much richer insights into how your advertising is performing.